It's not chic, there's no freaks and no dilettantes. This restaurant gets no press. It's the kind of place I grab a bite when my appetite's depressed. Steaks and chops and seafood in a continental style. It's a charming little bistro where the hostess wears a smile. Oh well, I have no dinner partner, you can take away that plate. I don't need another menu, cause I don't have a date. Oh no, I don't come here for business, and I don't come here for fun. I just come with reservations for my table for one. Oh well, I have some after dinner drinks with my friend behind the stick. We've got an understanding, he always gets me sick. Oh, with some cognac and some Armagnac, and we backed it up with some beers. A half a gram of some lousy blow puts me into a good cheer. Oh yeah, by closing time I'm feeling good, picking fights with everyone, and I'm breaking things and dancing on my table for one. Oh no, I don't come here for business, and I don't come here for fun. I just come with reservations for my table for one. And by